So in this Keynote presentation tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the space between sets of a chart here on a Keynote presentation. So what exactly I mean by this is, if you were to go to the chart right here, so add a chart, and how about we just go with the basic chart right here. If you want to change the amount of space between sets, what this basically does is if you were to press on the chart here, go to this right hand side, and where it says gaps, space between sets. If you were to increase this number, it actually makes the sets smaller. If you were to decrease this number, it actually makes the sets quite a bit larger and basically just makes everything a little bit wider and there's less gaps in between. So you can kind of go up or down depending on what you guys want, and that's how your graph will look as a result. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the amount of space between sets of a chart in a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.